Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, as expected, we got the volatility we were waiting for after NFP. Right after NFP, we saw dollar index going down, but again, we saw immediate recovery also after PMI. Ultimately, dollar index closed at 104.426. This is the last traded price, and both fundamentally and technically, DXY seems to be bullish right now. So DXY is back on track again. To be honest, when Euro USD was going for up at first and GBP USD was also going up, okay, I took a buy position. Okay, I scalped and I exited immediately because data was mixed. Data was mixed, and when the dollar index was going down, okay, I was not convinced enough. Okay, and later on, okay, things took a different turn. Okay, I did not enter again. We can see here dollar gains after mixed jobs report. Dollar gain against the euro and Japanese yen on Friday after the August jobs report showed a still strong labor market despite some signs of deterioration. Okay, so DXY is bullish again on Monday right after the market opening. If DXY shows few red candles, also keep in mind that that will just be a retracement, not a trend reversal. Retracement and trend reversals are different thing. Okay, so if due to lack of volume and volatility, if DXY comes down also, it will try to go up again, and next time DXY will be breaking the previous high and it will be forming a new high around 104.80. If you're wondering why 104.80, then I need to zoom out the chart so that I can show you. See, this was the resistance previously, so it will be heading towards 104.80, and I think that by Monday or Tuesday there's a high chance that we will get to see a new high on the chart of DXY. Okay, so keep in mind DXY is bullish again, so plan your trades accordingly. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So to be honest, on the chart of Euro USD, we don't have many levels because Euro USD is on a very critical level. Let me show you. Okay, in my previous videos also I showed you this upward channel here, and we took a buy position also. At least I took a buy position when market bounced from here. But right now we can see that euro dollar struggle around the 50 moving average, 100 moving average, and it came down again, and right now standing at the same support level. But this time the market is very weak, so as a result, okay, it is very important for us to observe right now. Instead of taking a position, okay, you should observe whether market bounces from here or market breaks the support and starts falling. Because if euro USD starts falling from here, then you can see that we don't have any immediate resistance, sorry, immediate support, and it will be very difficult for us to predict the next support here. But if we go to the weekly chart of euro USD, then we can see that on on the weekly chart also we can see market trading inside an upward channel. But the best part is that apart from the upward channel, we also have the 100 moving average also acting as dynamic support for the market. So let's keep our fingers crossed. If market bounces from here, we can go for a buy position again. But sadly, dollar index is bullish, so let's wait and watch. To be honest, okay, I am not looking for any position on Monday. I would like to observe euro USD first because it's about our hard-earned money, isn't it? We cannot gamble with it. And in case euro USD shows upside, temporary upside after the market opening, keep in mind that upside will just be temporary, not a complete trend reversal. I think so. Okay, so if market reverses from 1.0840, 1.0850 level, day traders, scalpers can look for a quick sell position because the previous temporary support will be acting as resistance here. If market reverses from here, day traders, you can look for a quick sell position, but otherwise it is better to observe euro USD right now. Okay, because as I always say, my dear friends, it is important to know when to trade in the market, but it is more important to know when not to trade in the market, when to observe the market. Okay, euro USD should be under your observation right now. My dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. If you really like my work, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, you can consider joining the workshop. My dear friends, these are the benefits that you'll be getting in the Pro Trader program. Don't get confused, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. And you can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. If I could do it, you can do it too. The workshop is not for complete beginners. The workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years. As a result, I have also placed the questionnaire so that we can understand whether the workshop will be really useful for you or not. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. You can see here, these are the topics that we will be covering in the workshop. And after the workshop, we will be having weekly sessions for 1 month, and these are the topics that we will be dealing in the weekly sessions. Everything is mentioned on the website. These are the dates. You can see here Hindi classes are about to start from 6, 7, 8 of September. English classes 11, 12, and 13th of September. Timing is mentioned here. It will be conducted through Google Meet. Okay, and after the payment, you need to send the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I'll be adding you to the group immediately. And the best part is the fees. You can see here 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15. Rupees 1000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you'll be getting from the workshop and the Pro Trader program. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you really like my work, if you really think that my support will be beneficial for you, then you can also go ahead with semi-annual program and lifetime. These are also very affordable. You can see here 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65, 4000 rupees. These are the benefits you'll be getting, and you'll receive 2 personal sessions with me. And in lifetime support, you can see here 6 personal sessions with me, okay, for $125, and you'll be getting support for the lifetime. Okay, everything is mentioned here. Okay, so hopefully you guys will love it, and if you're really interested, the link is in the description. Feel free to check them out. Now let's talk about GBP USD. Unlike Euro USD, on the chart of GBP USD, we do have some levels, but yes, we need to be careful. First of all, the support level of 1.2500, the zone here is still very much valid. Okay, so the support of 1.2500 is still there in the market. But right now we can see the market closed at 1.2587. So there is a gap of around 87 pips, okay, between the current market price and the support level here. And before 1.2500, we also have a support around 1.2550, or in simple words, we have some buyers around this area. But the thing is that, okay, this particular portion of the market is not very strong. Why? Because you can see that when the market is in downtrend, this was the level from where market bounced, and right now we can also see the selling pressure on the market is also very high. So on Monday, right after the market opening, we need to observe the volatility of the market. Volatility of the market will play a very major role here. If we see that market behaves like a typical Monday market where the volatility is not very high, in that case you can expect 1.2550, this level, to act as a temporary support. If you see that market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position around this area. I'm in the 4 hours time frame, so confirmation on 4 hours time frame will be very slow. So you can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame just to check whether market is taking support or not. If you see market taking support, you can go for a buy position. You can expect 35 to 40 pips. But if you see the bounce is good enough, okay, market is showing good upside, then you can, okay, book 50% profit after 40 pips, and you can trade your stop loss. In that way also you can trade. So 1.2550 and 1.2500, these are the two support levels. 1.2500 is a better support, but in case of low volatility, we can also expect 1.2550 to act as the first support for the market. Clear? On the other hand, if we see market going up, okay, if we see market going up right after the market opening, keep in mind the upside will not have much buying power because the selling pressure at the time of closing was very high. And we have already seen the chart of dollar index also, DXY, that DXY is bullish right now, and fundamental factors are also pushing the market towards the upside. In that case, okay, we can expect that GBP USD will face resistance, okay, where 1.2650. So under normal volatility, especially on Monday, if market goes up, and observe the market around 1.2650, the previous support will be acting as resistance here. Simply go to 1 hour time frame, 50 minutes time frame. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling around this area, you can go for a sell as well, quick sell position around 1.2650. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. Okay, so try to trade in the try to avoid trading in the middle of the market. As I always say, my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Wait for the market to come down to your level. Do not chase the market. So that's all from my side. Okay, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. And follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble. Okay, and enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Okay, with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.